Welcome to Symbolic's Whiteboard Wednesday. On this episode, we will be talking about new workplace and the transitioning. With transitioning in today's workforce, it's ever-changing to our culture, our team, management, clients, consumers, the online demand. It's a lot going on. It's a lot changing. So today I wanted to talk about all the new rules we have to follow for our actual workforce ourselves, our office, the team members working remote, and the things that are challenging and we have to work through every day. One of the big things that I have learned during this transition is culture. Building that culture and understanding what your company is going to do, how and what we stand for, what we have passion for, understanding for, working with our team members in transitioning from remote to the workplace. It's difficult. It's difficult to make everyone feel part of your family. Whether you have 10 employees or 100 or 1,000, we really have to work together on our culture as a team. We're there for each other. We need to back each other up, support each other, build each other, and work on all of these things. Let's put it this way. It comes from top to bottom. If we can't understand that as owners, and I'm going to speak loosely, then how is everyone else in our team supposed to understand? How are we supposed to work together as a team to be better? Today, yesterday, and tomorrow are all different. We're facing challenges we've never had to face before. So my rule, and my thoughts, and what we've done here internally is we lean on each other. We have meetings that are open for how we build each other, how we can help each other. Maybe it's even sharing tasks with team members. And team members are working from home and remote. They can't be in on certain meetings. So we have Zoom. We have video meetings. We've done all these things in this transitioning. But I think, and this is my opinion, a lot of people stand on the nervousness and don't look forward to the positiveness. Change is positive. It's hard. But if you can change today and help all of your team members themselves be comfortable, work in an environment that's a constructive, building, positive environment. Let them be happy, look forward to going to work on Monday. I think that's going to translate to a better all-around workforce, family, team members, and to the ideal consumer client partner that you are looking for in the future. Super important that we remember what we do and how we do is going to translate to the end client, consumer, and partner. If you're really looking to build your company, if you're really looking to strengthen and look at the weaknesses, then we need to work together, which we've done here, and transition to a better culture. Really work on exploring things you've never explored before because the world is ever changing. If you're in manufacturing, if you're in e-com, if you're in clothing or apparel or CBD, whatever it is you do, you need to look past what you've done and understand how to change your team and how to change your message today. It's super important. I wanted to leave you with that. A couple last things I wanted to talk about. Remote working is difficult, and in order to, I think, to make them feel part of your family, even if they don't come in at all, or we do remote working, we come in 1 to 2 days a week with some of our people here, I think it's important that you always include them. Whether your team, like I said before, is 10 or 100, sometimes it's nice to have team activities. We've done Happy Drink Friday, where we did a complete remote workplace. We had 10 people on remote. We all had our favorite cocktail at 4 o'clock. We sat and we openly talked for an hour. These little things are gonna make a big difference. If you wanna build a better team, if you wanna have a better message, if you want everyone to be on the same page, isn't it about time we change? And we change from top to bottom. Make that message clear to your employees, to the team members, to your family, and now let your consumer understand where you stand. Well, that's it for today. Want to wrap that up. Sometimes I talk too long, so hopefully you enjoyed our call and our videos today. Looking forward to next Wednesday. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.